Whee! Hello YouTube, we're back for another video. We're kind of in a rush, riding to the gym. Nerd. Well, I thought it'd be a good time to make a story time on why I got into riding. So we have to start back in December of 2020. I was a young goldfish, and I lost my fin. Well, I tore my ACL, but the same thing, right? Tore my ACL and was kind of stuck at home doing nothing. Was off work. It happened at work, so work covered it, but I was off work. And then I did the surgery for it in March 19th of 2021. I did the surgery for it. Right? So, did the surgery. I was like walking, like my knee. I was walking like approximately 3 weeks later. I was walking again. But I was still kind of broken because I didn't return to work until November because my job is very physical. So I didn't return to work because my job is very physical and they had to clear me to pass the physical fitness exam. So that was the whole thing. But I was kind of at home and not really doing anything. And I was thinking about like, what can I do that are activities in the summer? And it just popped up in my mind. I'm like, why not go learn to ride a motorcycle? Now, I've thought about it previously because all my coworkers basically all have motorcycles. But you know, kind of scared, you know, it's a big jump. I couldn't really get the time off in the summer to ride one. It was whatever, it wasn't that big of a priority for me. Well, now that I was broken, I had the time. So I looked for courses, and like I said in one of my other videos, it was kind of hard to find a course that would take me last minute, but I found one after, that was in like a couple weeks from then, and it was about an hour away, so I drove an hour away for like 3 days to take this MSF course. Took the MSF course, went to the DMV, took the exam, passed the exam, and I had my license. Now, and in another video I talked about how I got my motorcycle license really soon. I mean, I bought my first motorcycle soon after passing and getting my motorcycle license. Everyone's financial situation is going to be different. That was my financial situation. I went and I bought a new bike right off the dealer lot. That was the Honda Rebel 300. But taking the course, I instantly fell in love, and that wasn't parking lot speeds. Parking lot speeds, I fell in love. I was like, imagine what the open road is like, right? So, I mean, here we are, we're on the open road. It's kind of windy out today. As you guys can see, I have plenty of power to dart between traffic if I want to. But anyway. Whee! But anyway, so yeah, I learned how to ride. I took the MSF course, I passed, took the exams, passed. Doing a 6-gear pull. As you guys can see, I still have power. I don't know why this poop truck is still in the left lane, but anyway, I took the MSF course, passed it, loved it, bought the bike, absolutely loved it. The one thing about the bike that I didn't like was that it didn't have a lot of power, which is why I went and got the Ninja 400. Come on, Honda Odyssey. You can speed up, you can do it. The problem is he was trying to go left. She's blocking him from going left to get into the middle lane because she wants to cruise right next to him at the same speed. But anyway. I think this is the fastest we've gotten to this gym. But anyway, so I started riding, bought the Rebel. I loved the Rebel so much, and I loved riding on the Rebel. The Rebel was a slow bike that opened up my eyes to riding. The problem was, again, it was a slow bike, and I wanted a little bit more power. On the Rebel, you can't really do that on the Rebel 300, right? Especially on the top speeds at 86, and by like 65, you're like lugging it, and it's like begging for life. And nothing against the Rebel, I think it's more of a city commuter, maybe a backroad commuter, which is what I originally bought it for, but I ended up moving. Right? And I got this thing, and it has been an absolute joy to ride this thing. I mean, come on, people. This thing is like, it's so nimble, it's so flickable. Pop. 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 Oh, we're not doing legs today. Oh, my leg. Yeah, I know. I should wear pants at some point. 22 miles of range. I love that this thing tells you the range. At lower speeds, it's actually more, for me, I think it's more accurate than at higher speeds. But yeah, anyway, so that's why I started riding. It was literally because I broke my leg and I had the time. If I did not break my leg, I don't think I would have had the time to start riding or learning or even like consider doing it. But since I was broken, I had the time. So I did it. And here we are. A little bit of gravel right here. Oh, dumb. There we are, people. We're back. We're back at the gym. Thanks for tuning in, people.